You know what? I'm so very happy and proud of you. Bakit? Kaya nakalain mo nga naman parang may nagdang magsimula ko dito. Pero sa'yo, ilabas ko talaga sa bagay sa salamat na pala sa lahat, sa mga payo and everything. I pray na mag-inig sa bagay sa happy birthday. Yes. At ngayon naman po, si Mr. Jason Magalas. Hi, Beth. Lagi ko sabihin, meron mamali ang pagkakas na ito. Alam mo, ang pinakamahal ng best friend sa naman sa lahat, sa mga times na down ako, you're always there sa pagkakita ako. I know we both experienced that hard times and yet, that what after all the things I have done wrong, you still accept me for who I am and ask me to learn from always be able to share with you. Dito lang ako palagi yung best friend. Jason. At ngayon naman po ay tawagin natin si Mr. John Bernard Herbash. Marjorie, Malalas Nuro. Happy 80th birthday. Be thankful for what God has given you this year. And also be thankful for these coming years, for God will be with you through whatever. Okay? And always remember, Jesus will. Okay. At hindi naman po, tinatawagan natin si Mr. Si Pastor Ferdinand Olron. Dear Majo, I wish that God will bless you with more years to come. Always, you may become a blessing to many, especially to your family. Yan. At yun naman po si Mr. King Martin. Happy birthday! Isa ka lang dalaga, kaya alam mo na ang tama at mali. Kaya sabihin mo po ang nasa puso. Thank you. Love you. At naman po, tinatawagan natin si Mr. Rizalde Sumotia. Happy birthday. Wishing you a good long and more birthdays to come. Now that you're eating, sana hindi ka magbago and be more responsible. Alam ko naman na responsible ka na ka. Pero sana magiging responsible ka pa at mag-use na sa bagong ito ng buhay mo. Happy birthday and we love you so much. Salamat po. At ngayon naman